Bitcoin Asian stocks drop as traders par March Fed rate cut bets. ARK's ETF rebalancing continues with $20.6 million Coinbase sale. Japanese e-commerce giant Meraki to allow Bitcoin payments from June. Bitcoin accepting vendors increased 174% in 2023. SEC reissues crypto FOMO warning amid hopes for spot Bitcoin ETFs. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VD markets have opted for cautious in the last 24 hours as they focus on US inflation data released on Thursday, while December quarter earnings released by banks are awaited to assess the broader market trend. Further, the update on spot Bitcoin ETF approval by the Securities and Exchange Commission is still elusive. Bitcoin traded below the $44,000 mark. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.8% at 55,000 points. This week, the focus will shift to inflation data and bank earnings releases. The Federal Reserve's dovish stance that caused the year-end rally seems to have fizzled out after the robust December jobs report. Traders are least expecting for more flutter in the inflation data. Well, that could potentially trigger a negative sentiment. Moving on, analysts estimate a startling $62.5 billion in the monthly budget cap, which will be announced on December 11, contributing to the already record-breaking national debt of $34 trillion. Interestingly, data from Whale Alert, a blockchain tracking platform, revealed 8 significant transactions attributed to the shifting of 4,377 BTC from Kraken to unknown wallets in the past 24 hours. In an interesting news, an unidentified Bitcoin user sent 26.9 Bitcoin worth $1.17 million to the Genesis wallet, the first wallet on the Bitcoin network established by Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin. The global crypto market cap was at $1.63 trillion mark, decreasing 1.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 36% to $59 billion. Well, in the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu saw 7.33 trillion in transaction volume, with 5.75 trillion accounted for large transaction volume, which indicates whale or institutional activity. Hence, broader market participation stayed muted, while the large cap tokens such as XRP, Solana, Cardano, DogeCoin, etc. are witnessing price readjustment. US stock futures traded lower as traders look ahead to inflation data and big bank earnings in the week ahead. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures fell by 25 points. S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures jumped 0.18% and 0.12% respectively. Well, Bitcoin was trading at $43,960, down by 0.1%. If we talk about Ethereum, the second largest crypto, it was down by 1%, trading at $2,222. On my left, BNB was down by 3% to trade at $299. Next on the list, Solana Sol was down 3.7% and was trading at $90.3. If we talk about Cardano's ADA token, it was down by 6% to trade at $0.48. Next on the list, Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $32.8, lower by 5%. And Polygon Matic was trading down by 6.6% to trade at $0.77. Next on the list, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 3% at $0.077. And if you talk about Shiba Inu, it was trading down by 5%. Coming to Ripple's XRP token, it traded at $0.55, down by 2%. And last on the list, we have Polkadot. It was down by 3.2% to trade at $7.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. ARK Invest sold a further $20.6 million worth of Coinbase shares on Friday across 3 of its exchange-traded funds. Cathie Wood's investment firm offloaded a total of 133,823 coin shares, which closed last week at $153.98. ARK Invest has a target of no individual stock surpassing 10%, weighing on an ETF's value. Bitcoin more than doubled in price in the last 3 months of 2023, bringing about consistent sales of the crypto exchange shares by ARK. Its largest weighing of Coinbase stocks in its innovation ETF, which holds over $850 million worth of coin. The latest offload brings its weighing down to 10.04%, suggesting the sales from ARK could be coming to an end, notwithstanding another pump in Coinbase's share price. ARK's next-generation internet and fintech innovation ETFs carry fewer Coinbase shares, but their weighings remain higher at 10.37% and 13.41% respectively. Mercari, which is one of the largest Japanese e-commerce platforms, will allow users to purchase its flea market app-listed products using Bitcoin starting in June. According to Nikkei report, the e-commerce platform will facilitate Bitcoin transactions via its Tokyo-based crypto exchange subsidiary Melcoin. The prices of listed items in the flea market app will be displayed in Japanese yen with an option to pay in Bitcoin. Vendors and sellers will still receive the paid Bitcoin in local fiat currency, as the marketplace will convert the BTC through its exchange partner in real time. Over the years, Mercari has embraced cryptocurrency on its platform. Recently, the firm launched the Mercari Bitcoin crypto trading service, which allows users to buy and sell BTC using proceeds from sales on the platform. The e-commerce giant's loyalty program is crypto-centered as well, allowing users to swap their points for cryptocurrency. The number of merchants listed as accepting Bitcoin payments globally went up nearly threefold in 2023, according to data from Bitcoin merchant mapping provider BTC Map. As per the latest data from BTC Map, the number of restaurants, bars, shops, and services listed to accept the digital asset hit 6,126 by the end of 2023, up from just 2,207 merchants at the start of the year. This was a slight decline since the peak of 6,590 merchants in late September. The Philippines had the most merchants in Southeast Asia, and there were virtually none across China, India, and Russia, according to the map. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has reissued a warning about FOMO crypto investing just days ahead of the anticipated approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. In a January 6 post on X, the SEC's Office of Investor Education again warned retail investors of the risk associated with digital assets, including meme stocks, cryptocurrencies, and non-fungible tokens. The warning mentioned celebrities and athletes promoting crypto assets, urging investors not to make financial decisions simply because popular figures were touting an investment opportunity. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have a meme coin. Binance Labs has invested in the meme coin token, a social economy project. Meme was launched as Binance's Launch Pool's 39th project in October 2023, allowing users to stake their Binance coin, TUSD and FDUSD, in distinct pools for a 30-day farming adventure. A pool of 1 billion meme tokens, equivalent to 2% of the total token supply, was allocated as rewards. Meme Land offers features like meme farming and plans to introduce services to enhance user experiences and community involvement, including unique NFT staking mechanisms, collaborative social networks, and liquid staking on Ethereum. The platform plans airdrops and a fire sale to boost investor interest amidst the coin's volatility. Meme was trading at $0.02, down near 11% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Incubeta. Incubeta, an AI-focused ICO, has raised nearly $8 million by selling over 700 million Cube tokens at discounted rates. The pre-sale is currently in the sixth of 10 stages, offering tokens at $0.01 per token. Less than 6% of the tokens allocated to the current stage remain, causing the DeFi coin price to increase to $0.02. Despite this, investors will still see a 37.5% increase when the ICO launches at its proposed list price of $0.03. Incubeta's crowdfunding platform focuses on AI tech startups, offering opportunities in trending NFTs, allowing investors to diversify their portfolios and earn passive returns as the company progresses. These NFTs can also be traded on the peer-to-peer marketplaces. Next on the list, we have Lido. The crypto market is experiencing a downturn, with top digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum trading in the red. However, DeFi token Lido has experienced an exceptional price surge, gaining over 15% in the trading session on January 6, 2024. A whale trader 0xFC9 executed a significant portfolio shift on Coinbase, swapping Render for Lido tokens. The trader first deposited 750,000 Render tokens worth $3.01 million and and withdrew 450,000 LDO tokens worth $1.5 million. The DogeCoin price surge slowed after hitting a 52-week high of $3.6, and the crypto traded at $3.2, indicating a drop of over 10% from its recent high. The digital asset has a marketplace of $2.88 billion, up by 6.18% at press time. LDO was trading at $2.82, down near 9% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu bulls are facing a critical battle to regain the key level in 2024 as bears hit the market on January 3rd. In the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu saw 7.33 trillion in transaction volume, with 5.75 trillion accounted for large transaction volume, which indicates whale or institutional activity. Transaction volume, which measures the total volume of on-chain transactions, might reflect both trading and non-speculative activity. Increased transaction volume during major price declines could indicate panic selling by holders and large investors buying despite uncertainty, acting as a sign of a reversal in the price trend. Transaction volume, like trading volume on exchanges, can assist in identifying reversals and breakouts. Shiba Inu was trading at 5% down in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Synthetics. Synthetics, a decentralized liquidity provisioning protocol, has introduced Andromeda, a deflationary mechanism to its Perps version 3 engine. After the release of Andromeda on Base Network, 40% of Perps version 3 fees will be allocated to buying back and burning SNX through Yearn Finance-inspired contracts. This inflationary push is based on the proper distribution of fees generated by the protocol through its multi-chain deployments. The fee distribution breakdown on Base shows that 40% will be allocated to SNX buyback and burn, 20% to Perps integrators, and 40% to USDC liquidity providers. This upgrade is part of SIP 345, which brings more than just deflationary changes to the Synthetics ecosystem. The goals of Synthetics, with the release of multi-faceted, including enhancing the overall outlook of the protocol, making it more attractive for developers, traders, and liquidity providers. The price impact of Synthetics is set to benefit in the long term following the deflationary upgrade. SNX was trading at $3.35, down near 6% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3.2TV. And for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.